Do you want to know how to use the Morningfame keyword research tool? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mom, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Now, the other day, my colleague Jonathan and I were in my Facebook group talking about Morningfame, which is a keyword research tool, and how you can use it to find content that people are searching for, to make videos that people are searching for, and therefore to grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to find out how to use this tool, which is an absolutely great tool, make sure you watch this video until the end. Jonathan in particular is full of great advice. His channel is proof that it works, it's growing fast, and he's making money with it. So listen to him carefully. Okay, let's go.
One of my favorite tools is Morningfame. I use a couple different tools for like SEO and growing the channel, but one of my favorite is Morningfame, probably followed by vidIQ. But I'm just going to quickly walk you through exactly one of the features on Morningfame that is probably one of the most powerful, which is a brand new feature, and unless I'm mistaken, it doesn't show that way for me anymore because I opted in. But they have it's in a beta stage right now. But what it is it will show you all of the algorithms. It's their algorithm tab, which lets you, which will tell you a lot of different things, including what videos have been viewing you, as well as like who's been searching for you, different search terms. You can find out some of this information through the actual YouTube, analytics tab, and I'll show you exactly how to do that from there and what you get more from using this feature in Morningfame. So I'm going to just jump over to my YouTube studio real quick. I'm just going to go to the analytics, which is along the left side column on YouTube Studio. Click that, and then you just go up to the top right corner. It says Advanced Mode. Just click Advanced Mode.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of features in here. If you've never been in the advanced mode settings of YouTube Analytics, this will change your life. There's so much valuable information in here that you could use in order to know if something's working. You need to know that it's working. If something's not working, you need to know why it's not working. And so back and forth both ways. So especially where your traffic is coming from. So along here, you have video, traffic source. Just click on traffic source. And then you have like YouTube search, which is like SEO, which you can see I get most of my views from YouTube search because I hammer into a lot of SEO, making sure that I'm ranking my videos through SEO. But then another really powerful way that a lot of people don't even think about is suggested videos. And 38.2% of my views come from suggested videos. So there we go. I'm just going to click on that. And you could see when you look in here that it will tell me different videos that are suggesting videos onto my channel. So it'd be like, I have a lot of videos that are text to speech related that are ranking. So a lot of videos that are also about text to speech end up recommending people to my channel. So this one, for instance, is best text to speech tool, convert text to human speech. So this video is suggesting to my channel. It suggested 630 views to my channel in the last 28 days. And then if you go down, you could see, okay, this one has suggested 607, so on and so forth. But what this doesn't tell me is what videos it's telling me to, telling them to watch. It's saying that this video is suggesting, I could assume that it's probably one of my text-to-speech softwares, or if I go down, there's a lot of Facebook profile things like that. I could assume that's going to a Facebook video that I've done, but which one? I don't know which video is actually being watched by the person that was referred from this channel. And that's why I think that Morningfame, this feature in Morningfame makes like huge difference. So I'm just going to bring up Morningfame real quick. So here, this is where you go when you land on Morningfame. You know, it tells you basic little breeze of what other things that it does. You know, you get your you can get your live streams. It shows live streams and how they're doing. I did this one last week. I did one this morning as well. We'll see how that goes. This updates weekly, I believe on Wednesday. So it might have actually updated today. So it updates and says what videos are doing well, but that's a completely different thing that we could talk about another time. And, you know, it helps you with the SEO workshop, a lot of amazing features that will help you with your, this is the one I did last time. It just hasn't updated. But this is the algorithm tab. Now, if you, at the end, I will show you how to add the algorithm tab if you don't have it already, but there's a chance that they will have just added it in as a regular tab by that point. So what they tell you in this tab is there's a couple notifications of new channels and search terms. So if there's like a new search term that is finding your channel, they'll tell you here, and then you could potentially target that search term a little more aggressively. And also channels that are newly recommending your videos. But you can go into all these different things, search terms. But what I find is the most powerful is the suggested videos. So you can click on top recommended channels, and these are the channels that are recommending your content the most. So if, ironically, one of the channels that recommends my content the most is my own channel. And that's one thing that YouTube analytics does not tell you any of this information. So you can say, like, this is a text-to-speech. I was saying I have a lot of text-to-speech software that I promote, and it does really well as far as ranking. So this video was doing well. So I went into the analytics and I knew that I needed to make something similar. So top 5 text-to-speech software that's similar. So I knew that because this was doing well, it would likely rank here. But now you can see what other videos it's also suggesting. But then if you go to another channel, see, this channel is also recommending. In the last 28 days, they recommended 634 views to my channel. That means that they gave me 634 of the views that I got in the last 28 days. And they suggested it to these 2 videos. So 568 went to this top 5, and then 66 went to best text-to-speech software for YouTube videos. So if I find that a video is suggesting to a particular video, I know what video actually brought them to my channel. So if this video is not, unfortunately for this example, these are kind of similar, but now I would know that this is the content that this viewer that came to my channel wants to watch. So I could take this video and make my own version of it on my channel, which means that more likely than not, when it comes here, this video will start recommending to the new video that I made. So if this video is ranking and bringing in a lot of views, then it's very likely that a similar video is going to start getting suggested if it's still in the same like content niche. Does that make sense to you, Sophie, or is that makes
clear, right? Complete sense? I mean, I totally discovered this thanks to you, Jonathan, and it really makes sense. Absolutely, no, absolutely. It's like one video is introducing another. You know, like a friend would. What friend is introducing you to the best opportunities, really, isn't it?
Yeah, and you got to remember that one of the things about YouTube, and I think that this is something that so many people don't understand, or they don't grasp it, is that YouTube, it's pretty straightforward what YouTube wants. They are not concerned if you're selling your affiliate products. They're not concerned if people are signing up for your link. They're concerned if people are watching videos on YouTube. And that's it. That's all that YouTube is concerned about. They want people to watch videos and watch ads on their videos, and they want you to do well because they want more people watching videos. So if they're telling you what to make next, so people will continue watching basically through a series. So it's kind of like a playlist at that point. If you see like that bar at the end, at the right side of your browser, or maybe the suggested videos at the end of a video, or maybe underneath the video if you're on mobile, or depending on like the layout, but you're able to, it's telling you that they want people to continue watching videos one after another. That's why YouTube auto sets autoplay, because they want you to just continue watching videos so they can make more sales on ads and things like that. So yeah, just
exactly. And they are
your own playlist. Keep them watching your videos. Otherwise, they'll go and watch somebody else's or leave the platform. So here's another example. This is Facebook. This is one that's doing really well. If the videos aren't on the same topic exactly, then I could have made another one. But just find videos that aren't exactly on the same topic, or that they're similar but different enough that it could be considered a new video, and you could continue on your product line, or your basically your video series.
It's interesting to then another thing I believe that you told me at one point, Jonathan, is, you know, we can take a peek at the channels and see what kind of content they have, and maybe get ideas, you know,
exactly
for content as well that might do well.
Well, yeah, you find out if a channel is in line. Basically, the way you have to look at it is you're finding channels with a similar audience as you using this tool. You're going to find out, okay, obviously this person went from this video on this person's channel. They have over 8 times, maybe 9 times more subscribers than me.
Yeah.
And they've suggested, 202 videos, views over to my channel. That means that it's very likely that I should take a look at this channel and see if the content that they have is similar enough that I could be inspired by it, and maybe form a new video series based off the topics that they're teaching as well. So I could serve the audience that is coming from their channel over to mine.
That's right. Exactly. That was really something that's, I didn't know about this tab. I didn't know about this option, and you told me, and I think it's really, really valuable for people to know about this.
Let me quickly just show people how to turn it on. Again, at some point, they say it's just going to be a tab that's one of the tabs that's already there. But let me just show you how to turn it on. You just go to right here in the top right corner. There's like three lines. Click that. Accounts and subscriptions. And then settings, and then just go to right here where it says enroll. You are enrolled. Stay tuned for news. If you leave the program, you're obviously to leave it, but it would have an opt-in option right there if you want it. And then this is just their email settings, and if you want to be kept up to date and informed. So yeah, it's super simple to opt in, but the second that you opt in there, it just shows up in your tab.
Exactly. No, it's really straightforward. If you know if you know about it, it's really straightforward. And I must say that, Morningfame really feels like a tool that wants us to grow. They're kind of very caring of us. I certainly feel that they're looking after me and trying to help me grow, really. I mean, to help our channels grow. So that's really great. A lot of valuable insights.
Yeah, one thing I find that they're less salesy than other SEO companies, because they do have like an affiliate program, but it's just basically if somebody was to sign up. See, I have my link right there, actually. If somebody was to sign up on my affiliate program, my link for their affiliate program, it just gives me a free month of membership. So it's not like other ones where people are promoting it just because they want you to sign up for their affiliate program so they can just make like a bunch of money each month. The most that I'm going to make each month is just not paying for the service each month, which is not expensive at all.
Exactly. And I do believe that it's only by invitation. So you have to
you have to be referred by somebody. It's just a way to encourage people to promote it.
Exactly.
Yeah,
but yes, it is smart, and I believe they've got this 5 people sort of limit or something like that. So it means that it's spread. I don't know. Everybody can invite somebody, and I like that. And I do, as you say, there's not the emails are not salesy ever really, and it feels very helpful. And
they have an amazing YouTube channel that has so much training. Anytime that I've like found something and I want to know how to do it, they just have so much training, and it's like you could tell that it's people that want to help you grow, which is the kind of people that I want to work with or work alongside, or
absolutely. Me too. No, definitely.
I hope you enjoyed the training that Jonathan shared with us in my group. If you want to join my Facebook group, by the way, you are very, very welcome. There is a link in the description of this video. Morningfame itself is a tool that you can only access to with an invitation, okay? So there is a link that you can click below this video in the description if you want to give Morningfame a try. It is a free tool that also has a paid upgraded version, but the basic tool is free. So if you want to try it out, just click the link and you'll have access to it. I really hope you got value out of this video. Make sure you like it if you did. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, that you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video every time I upload one. If you have any questions about YouTube, about make money online, about Morningfame, please make sure you drop a comment below. I will be very happy to find the answer and make a video to help you out with the question that you have. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.